Owens Corning Cool Roof Plus, the Timberline Reflector Series. Okay, I'm back over at the roof project, and we're just about finished up. As you can see, most of the roof is completed. If we look around the building, I'm going to show you something very special, which is the venting of the ridge. So as we vent our ridge, as you can see, this is my waterproofing and my airtight layer, along with my insulation netting for underneath the roof rafters. This is my breathable membrane that lets vapor come out, and we're also vented right there. This is a 3/4 inch core vent, along with another 3/4 inch piece of 1x4, and then we got our plywood on the top. As you can see, the plywood. So my roof is vented high up here and low down at the eave. However, my attic will be unvented conditioned space. So as we go through, we can see that all the roofing gets cut, and we leave this gap about 1.5 inches on both sides. So the peak would probably be somewhere right over here, and that gives us 1.5 inches over on this side, 1.5 inches on that side. So it's about 3 inches. And we leave that open all the way down. Okay, so we need that vapor. That vapor drive needs to come out from the attic. Okay, not only that, our air gap will bring hot air from the roof that gets through the plywood, gets trapped in between our airtight layer and our vent screen and our air gap, and allow the vapor and the hot air to come on out of the roof. And my roofer is installing this mesh right here, and there's a variety of different styles of this mesh. This is a GAF mesh. It's about 1/2 inch thick, and as you can see, it's kind of see-through. So yeah, you can kind of see through it. You can see the roof and the cars. And let me go to my pool. See, you can see the pool in the background. That allows the hot air from low of the eave to travel up as the hot air at the ridge is actually leaving. So this roof is going to cause a good 30 to 40 degree temperature change. And what we're doing is we're stopping that heat from coming into the attic by venting low and venting high. So my complete ridge is all vented. Let's take a look at this one. So as you can see, as he's got that roof down, the ridge, you can see the vent. Okay, that stops water from going in, but allows vapor and hot air to come on out. And we'll do that all the way across this ridge of the gable, and all the way down that way too. And he's leaving this little bit here, I mean, which he doesn't need to. He can cut that, leave that open, but everything else is fine. Looks really good. Finally got our roof on. The next step, we're going to come in here and we got complete, I think 33 solar panels going up here to create approximately almost 13 kilowatt hours of solar power to power those two vehicles down there. The one on the left is a Rivian, the one on the right is a Tesla. And so the gas bill slash electric bill to charge those will be absolutely free when we have our two backup batteries are going to be attached to the back side of the house right over here next to the meter.